Just doing a quick video here on how to replace the tails on my 12-inch snakes. The tails that I use are Ron Z. They're 8-inch replacement tails. There are other brands out there that you can use as well. These just so happen to be the ones that I found work the best for me. The key to it is to make sure that when you screw in the centering pin is going to need to cross with the seam. You'll see there's a seam on the tail. And what you want it to do ultimately is the seam and the centering pin are going to cross, make a cross shape. So when you screw in the centering pin, or in this case, when you screw on the tail onto the centering pin, you want to make sure that the thin end of the tail is at the top and the bottom. Otherwise, the snake's not going to swim right. It's not going to swim the way you want it to. So basically what you're going to do here is line up the centering pin and thread it into the tail. And then start to look for that seam. And once you find the seam, you're going to want it to cross with the line tie of the centering pin, just like that. That way, the thin end is at the top and the bottom after you connect the tail. That should do it.